Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making the host and client ready. On the host, enable mobile data or Wi-Fi and turn Bluetooth on, make the device discoverable. On the client, enable Bluetooth and scan for nearby devices. Once you see the host name, initiate pairing and accept the PIN or confirmation on both sides. Make sure battery saver is off so connections remain stable. These first actionable steps create the secure channel you'll use to share internet over Bluetooth. Once paired, you enable Bluetooth tethering on the host. On Android, open hotspot and tethering and switch on Bluetooth tethering. On iPhone, enable personal hotspot and allow Bluetooth connections. Then on the client, open network settings, choose Bluetooth network or Bluetooth PAN, and connect to the host device. Make sure you select the Bluetooth network interface rather than Wi-Fi. This step bridges the host's internet to the client. It can take a few seconds to acquire an IP address, and you finish by verifying the link, load a web page, or run a quick ping to ensure traffic flows. If the client still shows no internet, toggle Bluetooth tethering off and on, restart Bluetooth on both devices, then repair if needed. Make sure battery saving or data restrictions aren't blocking background tethering. If problems persist, temporarily enable Wi-Fi hotspot or use USB tethering as a fallback. With those checks, you should have a stable Bluetooth internet connection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.